The Taco Bell Grande Toasted Breakfast Burrito is $4.59. The Dunkin' Donuts Chorizo Egg Wrap is $4.89. Which gives you the better deal? Wait a second, that's not the chorizo and egg. Alright, let's figure this out. The Grande Breakfast Burrito weighs 229 grams, while the chicken and pepper wrap weighs 164 grams. At this point in the video, I'll be talking about the meat and cheese, in which I weighed the eggs and the sprinkling of sausage at 82 grams. And then here, I am just struggling to try to get this chorizo and egg and cheese onto the scale here. Not gonna lie, I really couldn't get it all. But it weighed surprisingly close to that of Taco Bell, so that means that Taco Bell was definitely loading up on the potato. But to be honest, the potato really does add to the burrito, and especially with some Diablo sauce, this burrito is not bad. While the chorizo and egg wrap was just salt. So in terms of building up our breakfast list, we're not off to a good start with two really mediocre items here. But Taco Bell is taking the top spot for now with the best deal. Which chain does have the best breakfast items? Let me know.